Hello everyone, Lina here. In this video, I will give you a tour of my monthly budget tracker and help you use it to track your money effectively. So now, let's get started. This spreadsheet includes 5 tabs. The first one is the Instruction tab. This tab provides detailed, step-by-step instructions and links to these video tutorials. Next, we have the Can't Edit tab. When you receive my spreadsheet using your phone, you may not be able to edit it right away. Simply click on File, make a copy, and then you can use it more easily. Once you finish reading these tabs, you can right-click and select Hide Sheets. If you need to unhide them, click on this icon and select the sheet you want to display. The next tab is Overview. Here you can zoom out to get a better view. First, look at the Start From section. This is where you can change the date and currency. In the Currency section, you can add your own currency by clicking the pencil icon to edit the drop-down, then select Add another item to input your desired currency. Moving down to the Budget Overview, enter your leftover money here. Next, in the Monthly Goals section, you can add your goals here. And as you tick off each goal, the cute Alpaca character will grow up. For the other sections like income, expenses, bills, savings, investments, and debt, you only need to fill in the category and expected columns. The actual column will be automatically be calculated from the Monthly Transactions tab. In the Due Date column, you need to double-click to open a mini calendar and then you can select the date. Now let's move to our Money Transaction tab. With this tab, you can easily monitor and record all financial transactions. So first, you just need to fill in the account list. Then input your transactions in the Transaction Tracker section. You also see a pie chart here that shows you where your money is going. Above that is the Highlight section. You can quickly select any category here and it will be highlighted, and so you can see the category easier. Lastly, we have the Bills Calendar tab. All the information in the Bills Calendar is automatically filled in from the Overview tab. But here you can change the start date of the calendar. And when you tick off the bills you paid, it will show a check mark like this. If you want to make your own bills calendar like this, you can check out my video here. I have made a video tutorials of this bills calendar. To use this calendar for new month, you can make a copy and use the clear button here to quickly clear all the old information and track new month. Or you can go back to the PDF that you received when you purchased this template and click here and then use the template. To purchase this template, you can go to my website noti.com. We have 3 colors of this spreadsheet available. And when you purchase a bundle of 3 spreadsheets, you can get a free cherry blossom habit tracker. And that's it. I hope this tutorial helps you use the monthly budget tracker effectively. Thank you for watching and happy budgeting!